In the annals of urban history, few decisions have sparked as much controversy as the Los Angeles two-tier system. The year was 2027, a pivotal moment when fiscal desperation collided with urban policy, setting the stage for an unprecedented social experiment. Faced with a crippling budget crisis, the city council proposed a radical solution, a city divided into two tiers based on property tax rates. This was democracy in action, yet fraught with unforeseen consequences. The people of Los Angeles were called upon to decide their fate. The result, a narrow margin tipping in favor of the two-tier system. A decision hailed by some as pragmatic, denounced by others as the genesis of an urban divide. By late 2027, the city had begun to transform. The upper tier, a realm of prosperity, the lower tier, marked by a struggle for basic services. The seeds of discord were sown. The summer of 2029 witnessed the first major flashpoint, the Great Blackout, a cataclysmic event that plunged the lower tier into darkness, igniting the simmering tensions. The Angels' Revolt, a series of protests and civil unrest, echoed the deep-seated discontent. In the wake of upheaval, 2030 to 2032 saw the emergence of grassroots movements such as the United Angelenos, a united front, transcending the tiers, demanding an end to the divisive policy. Mid-2032, a dramatic standoff, the siege of City Hall, a symbol of the struggle for equality, marking a turning point in this urban saga. By 2035, the winds of change were palpable. The city council, facing overwhelming pressure, voted to dismantle the two-tier system, a decision that marked the end of an era, but the beginning of a journey towards reconciliation. Today, as we traverse the streets of Los Angeles, the remnants of that turbulent period serve as a stark reminder of a city torn by policy, yet united by its people's resilience. From 2027 to 2035, Los Angeles was a city divided, a battlefield for social justice. This chapter in its history stands as a profound lesson on the complexities of urban governance and the indomitable spirit of its inhabitants. This has been the story of the Los Angeles experiment, a testament to the power of democracy, the perils of division, and the enduring quest for a more equitable society.